Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Imagine playing your favorite GameCube and Wii titles on your Android phone with the precise, familiar feel of your PlayStation 4 controller. It's not just a dream for 2025, it's a simple reality we'll walk you through today. This updated guide makes connecting and configuring your controller incredibly easy. You're about to unlock a whole new level of mobile gaming comfort and control, transforming your emulation setup with minimal effort. Before we dive into the fun, let's gather our essentials. You'll need the latest Dolphin Emulator app installed on your Android phone or tablet for optimal performance. Crucially, have your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller charged and nearby, ready to connect. Lastly, simply ensure your Android device's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable, allowing it to easily find your controller. These quick checks set us up for seamless success. Now let's connect your controller. Pick up your PlayStation 4 controller and simultaneously hold down the Share button and the PS button until its light bar starts flashing rapidly. This puts it into pairing mode. Next, on your Android device, open your Bluetooth settings, then simply tap on Wireless Controller when it appears. After a moment, the light bar will turn a solid blue, confirming a successful connection and readiness for action. With your controller connected, it's time for Dolphin configuration. Open the Dolphin Emulator app, then tap the small gear icon at the top to access its main settings. From there, head into either GameCube input or Wii input, depending on your game, and choose Emulated next to Controller 1. Now, simply follow the on-screen prompts to map each button from your PlayStation 4 controller to its correct in-game function. Congratulations, you're all set. Your PlayStation 4 controller is now perfectly configured and ready to bring your favorite GameCube and Wii titles to life on your Android device. Don't forget to save your controller profile within Dolphin settings to avoid remapping it next time. Now, dive in, experiment with your games, and tweak any settings to discover your ultimate, personalized mobile gaming experience. Enjoy countless hours of classic fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.